Welcome to IT Vault. In part 1, we set up FTP and tested it on Linux machine. Now let's continue by accessing FTP from Windows and mobile devices. We will walk through connecting from Windows PC, then demonstrate mobile access, so you can manage files across platforms. If you missed part 1, check the playlist link in the description. On another Windows PC, let's connect using File Explorer or command line. Just enter the server IP and log in with FTP user account we created. It's very easy and very fast. Let's try it out. First, go to the command prompt. Ping the server first. Ping 192.168.43.2. We have connection. Then use the FTP command followed by the IP address of your server. Then the FTP username we created, FTP user, and the password. We are logged in. Then use the ls command to view the contents. These are the files on our FTP server. Use the get command followed by the folder you want to download. ccna get ccna book.pdf. Command successful. So that's how we can use the command prompt to access the FTP server. Now let's use the GUI. Open the File Explorer. Then type in FTP 192.168.43.2. Put in the FTP username, FTP user, and the password. These are the files on our FTP server. You can just copy them to your device. On mobile, apps like CX File Explorer make it easy to connect and browse files with same credentials. Just go to your Google Play Store, download CX File Explorer, install it, and open it. I will show you in the demo. On your mobile device, go to Google Play Store and search for CX File Explorer. Open it, go to Network and New. Tap on Remote and then tap on FTP. Put in the IP address of your FTP server. In my case, it's 192.168.43.2, port 21, and then tap on FTP, and then the username we created, which is FTP user, password, and press OK. We are inside. These are the files on our FTP server Windows device. You can copy from here files to your phone. You can copy files to your phone let's copy this and this and this and copy. Then go to the main storage of your phone, main, and paste. You see how quick it is, how fast it is. And then you can copy from here. You can copy from here. Maybe sounds. Let me copy 2 or 3. Copy back to the FTP server on Windows machine, main, and paste. Here we are. These are the sounds we copied. And that's how you can set up FTP on Windows and share files across different platforms. Thank you for watching, learning, and growing with me. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos.